Legends in Motion, the Ancient Greek Games. The birth of a tradition. In the heart of ancient Greece, from 776 BCE, a tradition unfolded that would capture the imaginations of generations. Athletes from various city-states would converge on Olympia, a small sanctuary nestled in the Peloponnese. Here they would not just compete for glory, but also honor Zeus, the mightiest of the gods. The air crackled with excitement as the first herald shouted, "The Olympic Games have begun." But what truly drove these competitors to ascend the sacred grounds? The Games were not merely a spectacle of athletic prowess. They were an integral part of Greek culture and identity. They stood as a beacon of unity amongst the fractious city-states, each one eager to prove its superiority. The athletes, often men who had trained rigorously for years, regarded competing as a divine privilege, and winning in any event was seen as achieving immortality through fame. As we delve deeper into the past, a question arises: how did such ambitious endeavors shape the very fabric of Greek society? The answer lies in the intertwining of sport and spirituality that went beyond the mere physical competition. The events that captivated a civilization. The Olympic Games featured an astounding array of events, each designed to test the limits of human ability. Events such as wrestling, boxing, and the pentathlon were not just contests of strength, but a representation of a warrior's skill, qualities highly revered in a civilization shaped by conflict and military prowess. But it was not just physical prowess that garnered admiration. The mental agility required in events like the chariot race also drew crowds. Perhaps the most notable of all was the stadion, a sprinting event that involved a single length of the stadium, a mere 192 meters. It was here that the fastest men would sprint towards immortality, fueling the spectators' fervor. The crowd would erupt in cheers, their cheers echoing against the ancient hills, their hearts racing alongside the runners. But did you know that many athletes competed naked as a tribute to the gods and to showcase the beauty of the human form? This practice was both shocking and revelatory, yet it reflected the profound admiration of physical perfection that permeated Greek culture. The underdogs and unsung heroes. While legendary victors like Milo of Croton are well remembered, the narrative often leaves out the stories of the underdogs who faced insurmountable odds. These less celebrated athletes often emerged from humble backgrounds, demonstrating resilience and determination that belied their circumstances. They were the heart and soul of the Games, showing that victory isn't solely about the glory, but also the journey. One such athlete was a humble runner named Phidippides. He entered the stadium against all odds, representing a city-state that had long been overlooked. As he sprinted down the track, time seemed to slow, the crowd holding its breath with every stride until he triumphed against the elite. While legends often overshadow such tales, they embody the spirit of the Games, the saga of perseverance. The Sacred Truce. One of the most curious aspects of the ancient Olympic Games was the sacred truce known as the Ekecheria. During the Games, all warring factions were required to cease hostilities, allowing athletes and spectators to travel safely to Olympia. This unprecedented gesture revealed a complex dimension of Greek life, the intertwining of sport and diplomacy. The truce was a temporary reprieve, a moment when even bitter enemies could put aside differences and celebrate human achievement. Imagine the thrill of watching rivals from different city-states, forgetting their animosities for a brief, glorious moment. Isn't it fascinating how sport can forge connections, even amid conflict? The role of women. A surprising revelation. Contrary to popular belief, women were not entirely excluded from the Olympic Games. They played a subtle yet significant role in the festivities. The Heraean Games, held in honor of the goddess Hera, featured competitions exclusively for women. These events promoted female athleticism and provided women a platform to showcase their own enduring strength. Many stories told of women who attended the Olympic Games disguised as men, born from the desire to witness the events. Such daring acts challenge the stereotype of women as entirely excluded from participatory roles. Their presence, whether as competitors or passionate supporters, highlights the complexity of gender dynamics in ancient Greece. These hidden narratives compel us to reconsider the role of women in ancient societies, encouraging us to discover more about how their voices echoed through history. Legacy of the Games. As the sun set over Olympia, casting golden light across the ruins, one couldn't help but ponder the legacy of these ancient games. The ideals they embodied, excellence, respect, and peace, carried through the ages, influencing contemporary athletic events globally. The Olympics we witness today are a modern reflection of that fervor and passion. The values promoted, such as fair play and unity, resonate deeply in a world still rife with division. Every 4 years, nations come together, transcending their borders, much like the ancient Greeks once did. Yet the question remains: can modern society capture the same spirit of camaraderie and honor that once thrived in Olympia? The rich tapestry woven by the ancient Olympic Games stretches far beyond mere sport, impacting art, philosophy, and the very culture of Greece. Their heart still beats in the rhythm of races, echoing through time. A final thought. What is it about competitive spirit that unites us across time and culture? The ancient Greeks faced similar struggles, aspirations, and dreams as we do today. Isn't it fascinating to think that the chariots racing through the dust of Olympia still inspire the thrill we feel in our contemporary arenas? As you reflect on the legacy of the Olympic Games, consider this question: in what ways has the legacy of the ancient Olympics influenced your personal connection to sports today?